For how many persons?
My name is Adrian. For one person.
You will prepare a non-smoking area or smoking area?
Non-smoking area.
Okay, sir. Please wait, please.
Is this table is okay for you, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Please have a seat. Excuse me, sir. May I unfold your table?
Yes.
By the way, sir, I am Ella. May your dining attendant for today. Is there anything else I can help with?
None.
Okay, sir. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. How about some refreshing drink to start? Would you like iced tea or pineapple juice?
I see.
Okay, sir. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Here's your iced tea. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Please have some water. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Please have some freshly baked bread.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I present to you our menu for your food selection? I will take your order whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. If you're ready, may I take your order now?
Yes. Curry fried siomai for my appetizer. King of mushroom soup. Beef steak for my main course.
May I suggest to you Caesar salad?
No thanks.
How about chocolate lava cake, sir?
No thanks.
Okay, sir. I repeat your order. Curry fried siomai appetizer, cream mushrooms for soup, beef steak main course. Is that all correct?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. May I suggest to you your premium red wine that also complements your main course, which is the Berenier Merlot, product of Napa Valley, with the vintage year of 2017. It's an alcohol content of 14%. It has intense flavor of blueberry and blackberry. Would you like to try it?
No thanks.
Okay, sir. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Here's your curry fried siomai for appetizer.
Okay. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done?
Yes.
May I clean your table?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your green mushroom for soup.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done?
Yes.
May I clean your table?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your beef steak for your main course.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Are you done?
Yes.
May I clean your table?
Yes. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your bill. Thank you, sir. I received 2,000 and I'll be back for your change and receipt. Is there anything else that I can help you with?